Let's talk about container gardening. You know, you can grow any vegetable in a container that you can grow in the ground as long as the container is large enough for that particular type of vegetable. There are a lot of different container types out there on the market. Terra Cotta containers are a great traditional type. They actually wick water through the clay, and so you need to water them a little bit more, but they do hold on to the soil inside and prevent it from pulling away like some of the plastic types might do. I like the Terra and plastic types because you can get them in any color or type you want, even some that look like stone. We just want to make sure that they have good drainage holes inside, and if they don't, go ahead and drill some holes because drainage is critical. Speaking of drainage, you also want to drill holes in these metal types of containers. This rustic galvanized metal makes a really cool container that sort of looks like Texas. I like growing those for herbs and vegetables as well. And then there's the Glaze Pottery. I like this little bowl. It's great for a salad container. You could grow a lot of different types of greens in it. And as they grow, just mow them off with scissors for your salads and they'll come again and grow some more. It also makes a good container for a little herb garden. You can set a variety of herbs around in a container like this and really have a beautiful little garden for going out and snipping some herbs for cooking. Inside the container, you want a good quality soil mix. Not just garden soil, but a potting soil mix, a container mix that has peat moss or compost or coconut coir, maybe mixed with something like perlite to help loosen it up and make sure the internal drainage works really well. And then when you're fertilizing, you want to make sure and use either a dry fertilizer at the label rate so that you don't burn roots, or a slow release type of fertilizer that doesn't burn roots. And I even use some of the soluble liquid types to give plants a quick boost. Remember, on containers, they need to be large enough for the plant that you're trying to grow. So something like a tomato, for example, needs at least 5 gallons and really does better with 15 gallons. For more information and tips on gardening, you can go to your county AgriLife Extension office to speak with your county agent, or go to Aggie Horticulture online, where there's lots of great publications that you can download for free.